Hi everyone, thank you for purchasing the RC Seller Bookkeeping. So what we will do is, though this is the instruction page, here you will see all the instructions related to all the sheets, all the tabs. Then here comes the setting tab. Here we will choose the currency, whatever currency you want to keep for the tab. And then here we will choose the issue. And then these are the IDs for whatever books, whatever the templates or whatever you have. You will enter the IDs here, product name here, application date, sale, what kind of sale do you do, and from like the sale from which source, then the fee, and then the VAT, marketing, shipping percentages, and postages and others, and you can add more as well till the last. No matter how many categories you want to add. Then the profit. So here we have the 5 years at a time. So you don't have to change these. What you have to change is the profit. Change the profit. And if you want to change these years, then you can have change from the here. Like if you go to the setting, and here you can add the. For example, we want to add with the 2025. See, they are changing. Okay, we will see. And then here comes the expense tracker. Here you will enter the date. Double click, enter the date. Let me enter another one. Double click and then enter the order number and then the book names, whatever book it is, it will already be see, it is loading, then it came already. And here comes the, we will add the fee as currency already selected here in the setting. Expenses, so whatever the expenses is, we can add that. And then amount as well, and if you have any notes you can add that as well. And here comes the sales tracker, date, ID will be done automatically, then the order number, product, which product, and then the category. You can add the categories, currency, quantity, amount, revenue. Revenue will be calculated automatically from these two cells. Then here comes the monthly dashboard. Total revenue, total expense, total profit, top 10 selling product, same again, currency, amount, revenue, selling product, and then the expenses and everything, the total summary. You can see this by yourself as well. Marketing data, shipping, export, and postages, other data, and you can change the month as well. Custom date. For example, you wanna see from 1 June to 1 Jan to today date. See, custom data. And then the annual dashboard. So this is for the yearly dashboard. All this data in the yearly categories, and this is the 5-year dashboard from 2024 to 2028 from this yearly, like this. I hope you will like it. Have a nice day. Thank you.